Dear students, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 2, 4 operation which are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the 4 operations. In our practice time first we will attend questions on addition. In practice time 2 we attend the question on subtraction. Now in practice time 3 we will attend the question on multiplication. Our first question is multiply the following. Part D. Here are the numbers which are multiplied by 9. Now we will draw a table like this. 9 will multiply by 1, 9. 9 into 4, 36. 3 are the carry point. 9 into 4, 36 plus 3. 36 plus 3 is 39. So this one, 9 into 9, 81 plus 3, 84. 84. 9 into 9, 81. 81 plus 8, 89. 89. So our answer is 894969. This is our answer. Now part F. 2, 6, 3, 1 multiply by 1, 2, 2. We will make the columns like this. Now first of all 2 will multiply by this, then 2 will multiply by this, then 1 will multiply by this. First of all 2 multiply by 2 into 1 2, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 6 12, 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5, 2 into 2 2, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 6 12, 1 is carry point, 2 into 2 4 plus 1 carry point 5. Now leave one block. 2 multiply by the number 2 into 2 2, 6, 2, 5. Now we will multiply by 1. So leave the 2 columns. Here are the 2 columns which we will leave, and 1 will multiply by 1, 3, 6, 2. Now adding all these numbers, 2, 8, 2, 6, 8 plus 1, 9, 5, 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So here is 1 as a carry point. Now 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 6, 12. 1 is carry point. 1 plus 2, 3. So our answer is 32982. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Our next part is part G. Here are the 2 numbers which in multiplication. Write down the number 3, 1, 5, 6, multiply by 2, 1, 2, 4. Now we will draw a table like this. First of all 4 will multiply by the number 4 will multiply the number. Now 4 into 6 24, 4 into 5 20 plus 2 22, 4 into 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 4 into 3 12. So this is 12. Now in the next line we will multiply the number by 2. The multiplication of 4 is done. Now we will multiply by 2. 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into 3, 6. This is our multiplication by 2. Now we will multiply the number by 1. Leave the 2 spaces. Now will be multiplied by 1. 1 into 6, 6, 5, 1 and 3. Now the number will be multiplied by 2. So leave the 3 columns. 2 position of 2 is here. Now 2 into 6, 12. 2 into 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into 3, 6. Now we will add these numbers. 4, 2 plus 2, 4. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 6, 13. 1 is carry point. 1 plus 2, 3. 3, 3, 6. 6 plus 5, 11, 13. 1 is carry point. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 6, 8, 9, 10. 1 is carry point. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Then 6. So our answer is 67,03,344. This is our answer. Now attending the I. Part I is 2, 7, 6, 9, 5 multiply by 27. We will draw a table. Now we will multiply. First of all, the number is multiplied by 7. 7 into 5, 35. 7 into 9, 63 plus 3, 66. 7 into 6, 42 plus 6, 48. 7 into 7, 49. 49 plus 4, 53. 7 into 2, 14 plus 5, 19. Now in the second line, leave the first column. The number is multiplied by 2. Remove the carry points. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 9, 18 plus 9, 19. 2 into 6, 12 plus 1, 13. 2 into 7, 14 plus 1, 15. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Now we will add these numbers. 5, 6, 8 plus 9, 17. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 is carry point. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. So our answer is 747,765. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Our next question is question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Part first. A number is multiplied by another number and answer is this. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5 and a number. We know that 2 into 3 is equal to 6, which is equal to 3 into 2. So 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. We can change the order in multiplication. So here the number is 9876. This is our answer. Because 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 2, we can change the order in multiplication. So here are the number is 9876. Now taking part second. A number is multiplied by another number and the answer is same. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Here 5 and 5 are equal by multiplying by 1. When we multiply the number by 1, we get the number again. So here is multiply by 1. Taking part D. The same one. 5 into any number to get 5. 5 into 1. 5 into 1 will be 5. So here is 1. 15,261. 15,261. So we will multiply by 1. Now taking part C. A number is multiplied by another number and get 0. We know that 5 multiplied by 0. 5 into 0, answer is 0. So when we get answer is 0, we will multiply by 0. So here is 0. When we multiply any number by 0, the answer is 0. Let's take on this question. A number multiplied by 0. So answer is 0 because 5 into 0 is equal to 0. When a number multiplied by 0, the answer is 0. Now here 2, 1, 3, 4. 2, 1, 3, 4. These are both same. So these are the same numbers because 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. We can change the order in multiplication. The both numbers are same. So the number is 1261. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 3. Fill in the blanks. Part first. 4135 multiplied by 100. The answer is, first of all, we will multiply these numbers. We will make a table. In the first one, we will multiply by 0. 4135 multiply by 0. 0 into 5, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Leave a blank space. 4135 multiply by 0. Now 0 into 5, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Here is 1. So leave that 2 space. Now 4135 multiply by 1. 1 into 5, 5, 3, 1, 4. Now we will add these numbers. 0, 0, 5, 3, 1, 4. The answer is 413500. The next one, 3860 multiply by 10. 3860 will multiply the first digit 0 and then 3860 will multiply by 1. Now 0 will multiply 0 into 0, 0, 6 into 0, 0, 0, 0. Leave the 1 blank space. 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 6, 6, 1 into 8, 8, 1 into 3, 3. Now add these numbers. 0, 0, 6, 8, 3. 3860. Let's take another look on this. leave this multiplication now. 4135 into 100, answer is this. 4135 into 1, the answer is same, so 4135, then double zero, then double zero. This is double zero, so we will directly use this double zero. Now 1 into 4135, 4135, the number, same number with double zero. Here is 1 0 and 1 0, 2 0. Leave this. 386 into 1, 386 into 1. So answer is 386. Then these are the 2 0, these are the 2 0. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, these are the 3 zeros. Now 1 into number, the number 9187 with 000, 9187 with 000. 1 2 3 4, there are the 4 zeros, 1 2 3 and 4. Now here is 41, here is 1, 41 into 1, 41. So 41 1 2 3 4, 41 1 2 3 4, 4 times 0. Now here only 1 0, only 1 0. Now 1 into the number, 51941. So 51941 with 0, 51941 with 0. Here is 15 000 00, 15 000 00, 15 000 and 00. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next exercise. Our next part is my practice time 4. In this practice exercise, we will attend the question on division, addition in practice time 1, subtraction in practice time 2, multiplication in practice time 3, now division in practice time 4. The first question, divide the following and also verify your answer. First of all, divide the following. This is a question. Now we will divide this. 120 divided this number. Now 120 will divide in 3. Cannot divide, the number is smaller. Now we take two numbers, 32. 32 and 120, the number is smaller, so we cannot divide. Joining the three numbers, 324, 324, here is 120. So the table of 12, leave the 0, table of 12, 12, 24, 36, here is 32 and we have 36, so we will take 24. So here is 2 times 24. Now subtract 4 and here is 8. Now next digit is 6. The next digit is 6. Here is 84, here is 12. Into 7 is 84. 12 into 7, 84, and then 0. Now we will subtract 6. No other digit are here, so the answer is, here is a number in this division. The number on here is called dividend. Here the number is called divisor. Here the number is called quotient. And By dividation we get the last digit called remainder. The last digit called remainder. Let's take look on this dividation. Here is 120. The first digit is 3. 3 is less than 120, so we cannot divide, so 0 will be placed here. Now we attach the two digits. Here is 32, here is 120. We cannot divide, here placed 0. Now we will attach the three digits. 300, here is 100. We can divide 2 times, so here is 240. Now subtracting 4, then 8, 84. Now next digit will come here. This is 846 in 12 table of 12. Here is 12. The table of 12, 84, 7 times 84, then 0. Now subtract this, 600. So here is the 6. When we take a division, the part of this is called dividend. Here is divisor, here is quotient, and last digit after division we get called remainder. So in this question, what is dividend? The dividend is 3246. What is the divisor? Divisor is 120. So in our answer, the quotient is 27. Now remainder, the remainder is 6. The quotient is 27, remainder is 6. This is our answer. Now the next part of question, also verify. Verification. In verification we have a formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divider into quotient plus remainder, the solution is equal to dividend. So we will place the numbers. The divisor is 120 into quotient is 27 plus remainder is 6. When we multiply these number with 0, the unit place is 0. So first of all here is 0. Now 12 into 7 is 84. 8 is carry point. 12 into 2, 24 plus 8. 24 plus 8 is 32. So the answer of 120 into 27, the answer is this, 3240. Now here is plus 6. 3246. This is our dividend, which is get by the formula. The dividend is 3246. So our answer is correct. This is the formula for verification. In this formula we will place the value of divisor. Divisor is 120, quotient is 27 plus remainder is 6. First of all 120 into 27 you can multiply in your rough copy. The answer is 3240. Now plus 6 by 6, the answer is 3246. So dividend is equal to 3246. So our the dividend are same, so our answer is correct. This is our verification step. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. In our next question, B 4126 4126 divided by 168. First of all, divide the following. We will divide the number 4126. 1 here is 4, cannot divide. Now taking 41 is less, cannot divide. Now taking 412, 400, here is 168, here is 412, so we can divide. We will divide 2 times. Multiply this number. So 2 into 8, 16, 2 into 6, 12 plus 1, 13, carry point is 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Now subtract. 168, here is 412, we will divide by 2. After multiplication we get this number. Now subtracting. 2 minus 6, we cannot minus, so take a borrow. Here is 12. 12 minus 6 is 6. After giving borrow, here is 0, which is less 1. So this digit will be 0. Here is 40, 33. The answer is 7. Now the next digit is 6. So here is 168, here is 766. We will try this. This 2 times is 300. Now we take 4 times, this will be 600. So we will take 4. Multiply this. 4 into this number. 4 into 8. 4 into 8, 32. 4 into 6, 24 plus 3, 27. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Now subtract this number. 4. We cannot subtract, so take borrow. 16 minus 7, 9. After giving a borrow, here is 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Take another digit. There are no another digit, so remainder is 94. Let's take dividend. Dividend is 4126. Divisor is 168. Our answer, the quotient part, the quotient is 24. The quotient is 24. Now remainder, the remainder is 94. This is our 94. So quotient and remainder is our answer. Now verification. Verification formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor into quotient plus remainder, the answer is dividend. Now placing the value and get the dividend. Divisor is 168. Quotient 24. Remainder 94. Now 168 will multiply by 24. 4 into 8, 32. 4 into 6, 24 plus 3, 27. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Now we will multiply by 2. 2 into 8, 16. 2 into 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 2 into 2, 2 plus 1, 3. Now add this. 2 3 7 plus 3 10 4 2 7 plus 6 13 1 is carry point 6 3 9 plus 1 10 1 is carry point 1 3 4. So our answer is 4032 then plus 94. Here we plus 94. 6 3 plus 9 12 then 4. 2 plus 4 6 3 plus 9 12 1 is carry point 1 plus 0 1 then 4. 4126. The answer is 4126. By putting the value we get dividend is equal to 4126. Dividend is equal to 4126. Dividend is equal to 4126. This is our part of rough copy. So first of all we will divide these numbers. 4 we cannot divide 0. Now take 1 4 1 41 41 we cannot divide, place 0. Now take another number 412 412 400. Here is 100. So we can divide. We will divide by 2 times and subtract this. 6 here is, after giving a borrow, here is 0. The 40 minus 33. The answer is 6. Now taking another digit is 6. This is 700, this is 100. We can divide by 4 times. 4 times we get this number. After subtracting 4, taking a borrow 16 minus 7 9. After giving a borrow, here is 6 minus 6 0. Take another digit. There are no another digit, so our division is over. The dividend is 4126. Divisor is 168. The quotient is 24. Remainder is 94. Now verification. In verification we have a formula. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. We will place the value of divisor, quotient and remainder. After calculation we get dividend. Divisor is 168, quotient 24, remainder 94. First of all we will multiply these number. After multiplication we get 4032. Now plus 94 we get 4126. Dividend is equal to 4126 dividend. So dividend are same, so our divide is correct. You can take a screenshot of this. Another questions will be taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.